All right, All right, so I am in the process of restoring parts on this Prelude, and I've got these, I don't know what you call them, the door rubber moldings, the top of the door rubber moldings, whatever the fuck that piece is, the door trim. They look like trash on this Prelude. So I've heard a few different ways about how to take them off. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to record fucking spiderweb. I'm gonna record the easiest possible way that I found to take them off, or at least what I believe is the easiest way to take them off. So this is only the second time I'm doing it. Hopefully this works out on video. Hopefully I don't crack this shit, but pay attention. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll show you right now. They just look like shit. So check them out. All right, so you can see this is the piece that I'm talking about. Roof molding. I don't know what you call this little trim piece exactly, but mine are trash. As you can see, this side I've kind of already gotten it off. Now somebody told me to just pop it up completely. That is not the correct way to do it. I ended up breaking my little tabs, but I got a few new ones from Justin Miller, which is dope. There are these little end pieces right here that you need to pull out. If you see, what they're doing is they're blocking it. This is a rail that's sliding. So basically what we're gonna do on my other side that I have not done yet is we are going to pop out what I believe is the easiest. We're gonna pop out the front one. As you can see, it's missing right here. I do have it still. Make sure you don't lose those are hard to find. So I'm gonna pop out the front one, and then we're gonna, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and pry up the rear just a little bit, kind of so it's like sits over the windowsill like that. And then we're gonna slide it back, and I believe that is the easiest way to take these off. Could be wrong, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna take a knife or whatever I can. I'm gonna be kind of careful. I'm gonna try and pop this little guy out, tip. All right, so I've got the tip out. We're gonna go ahead and pop both sides out. All right, so I popped the back one out, and it looks like what's gonna be the easiest now instead is, hopefully you can see that front, as I'm lifting the front over, little flap right there, and then I'm gonna slide this thing out. See how it's sliding out, and you can see my end piece right there slip right out. There we go. Look at that. Didn't break a single tab. And now you know how to get this thing out without breaking a single tab. I hope that helped. Kind of easy, actually. Hopefully all my angles were good enough and you could see exactly what I was doing. But you need to know. That's how you get these things out, man. Stay tuned, check back in, subscribe. I appreciate you watching.